Facebook Hero said that Marvin told promoters of Brit Jam that him no have no green card and he can fly go Jamaica to do BRT. So Marvin is saying he never tell nobody, so because he didn't know that Facebook Hero had any green card issues or he couldn't fly. Facebook Hero also said that Marvin told him to style up Nikisha, the ex-best friends like Cher, Head Top, and all of them girls. Like, if style them up and get far, so Marvin the Beast can get forward and all these things. So honestly, if you guys didn't ask for this story, I would not be doing this story because I feel like this story is very too much pasa, too much mix up, too much people in a hit, and I feel like dancehall have enough problems already. So I'm gonna insert the clips of where all of them, where both Facebook Hero and Marvin the Beast had to say, and then I'm gonna come back and give my thoughts and opinions. This video is gonna be very short because my opinions and thoughts are very short.
Facebook Hero, back at it again. I know when me come to talk, I know when me come to talk. Four little blackbirds sit up on the wall. Batty boy Marvin, are you me at time? Let me tell you this, Marvin. Don't go like you want disrespect me, Marvin. Are you money beast? Let me tell you this, I want to look a pervert. Marvin and Nikisha can't even piss in peace, you need a video or a take picture. You black star liner. As Marvin jump out and close, you jump out tonight. You a bullfrog. Marvin close them, nothing can rest. A man poop, nothing can wear out and close your jumping eye. Let me tell you this, a one stone may I use and kill 4 blood clot dancehall queen Nikisha, dancehall queen Marvin, dancehall queen Black Star Liner Beast, and dancehall queen Money Beast. And me and Facebook Hero back at it again. Hey boy Marvin, me don't know what you do. You think me don't know what you do? You buy a big shot and long sleeve shot, cut off and give Nikisha to go build shirt and come and go on like a hot Marvin, you're a batty boy. Let me tell you that. And me and Facebook Hero, me not take my... Who tell them say we can't fly? Tell them say we can't fly. Who? Who tell them say we can't fly? Marvin, just me tell them Marvin, you have to fly around for look up petty money. Me can't fly for no petty money. You're driving up people, Benz and blood clot New York. You're show off in people things. You're ripping your clothes, me have blood clot maintenance in the Marvin. Don't go like you want to stop my food, Marvin. Me have maintain. Me have picnic for the Marvin. Don't go like you want to stop my food. You don't have nothing of blood clot. If I don't stay at Jamaica, rat not a blood clot like Marvin. Don't play my career. Don't play my career, dog.
Take yourself a screenshot, pause.
Dog, I want to do the man youth. Dog, Marvin, you're good enough, dog. You're good enough, Marvin. Yeah, Jamaica tell me. I tell people that me can't fly. Up here, dog, Marvin. I'm fooling it, dog. Dog, like, come on, dog. I don't want nobody to deal with my thing, dog. Marvin, don't deal with my thing now, here, Marvin. And we don't talk. Don't deal with my thing now, here, Marvin. You can't deal with me there, here, dog. You deal with people every and everywhere, dog. You can't deal with me there, here, dog. You're a pussy, dog. Remember what I tell you, dog. Big up yourself, here, Marvin. Big up yourself. But what you doing a friend turn against you? Because I'm a virgin. I used to try to build a career field. But nobody does not really do it for him in a music business. Me, I want you to help build your thing. Real talk. To show you how serious it be. Me, I the only man you book for your birthday party in Canada. Next week your birthday party. And I'm me a book. And I'm me I try style a call man and all kind of names from the internet. I call my Batman. Now if you call my Batman and I'm me a book for your party. Look how much entertainer out there where you could have book. And you call me Batty Boy and I'm me a book for your party. But man, you see you're shaky. Because if me could never call a man fish and then me go book him for my blood clot party. What time? That can't happen. But I never do that. So as some know say you're sick like you take coke or something. Something wrong with you. Because you never used to act like this. You understand me? But me know how I go on. You see the people that you team up with, and them go make you fuck up yourself. But wicked when a friend turn against you. Talk about say,
me call you and I tell you say for this Renee and share and big up me and Nikisha. We don't need a big up Facebook here. You know nobody for big me up. Now big up Nikisha for strength away. You know nobody. Fool boy. Me there Canada with you. And you tell me if you come run up and down with you. To get a viral post. You understand me? So now you more for the look big up for me. What kind of big up me go on for you? You have a little name. My name very big. So me no need no big up. And Nikisha no need it neither. Because Nikisha name large. So we don't need your big up. So me don't understand. You don't tell me for this. So if me want this one, I share me this to myself. You understand me? But a woman think that. So that's why I left Nikisha for angler think. And Nikisha friend them. You understand me? Me leave that alone because I'm involved in a woman thing, brother. So you come and tell lie for me. I be a liar, tell for me, dog. You understand me? And I tell me, say get for work at Bridge Jam. Zoom don't know you. Zoom don't have contact for you. When you come to Jamaica for Euro Dance video shoot, I may drive from Kingston go pick you up at Falmouth. I may bring you from Falmouth go Kingston for the video shoot. See, the same day I call Zoom and Zoom him there. Zoom same day in the uptown. I may bring you, me drive, bring you go a Zoom foot. And say Zoom, I'm one of them, you put that youth up on Bridge Jam, you know. Facebook here, my running place. Zoom say, yeah man, me same thing on Lord on the internet. Yeah man, I book him for come host. Right? You give Zoom your number, Zoom take your number. You understand? But exchange number. Zane plus you give Zoom your account number. Zane, the man hear about the green card situation and say Marvin, man, give the man my money, you know, and the man not get for forward, you know. So make that rest. Zane, you come and tell people like for me. Bad man stop calling me name and stop tell like for me. Because me is a youth. Anybody can tell her this, you know, in a music, you know. Only some me not make you get for work at Bridge Jam.
So what you just see is Facebook Hero and Marvin, they go back and forth basically on social media about who say what and who not say what. Honestly, I feel like it's about time that Jamaican people, especially men, communicate better. Especially, I feel like there's always some back and forth with people in dancehall music. So I feel like it's about time that actually learn how to communicate and learn how to speak your mind better, because honestly it not do nothing. All this is doing on social media is making it look like a big ass, like going back and forth arguing over something as irrelevant as who said what that can be cleared up. If Marvin say him never say nothing about Facebook Hero green card situation, then in can ask the promoter them and ask them, say, yo, did I tell you guys anything about Facebook here not having a green card and all these things? And the promoters them will say yay or nay. It's very unattractive. It's very disrespectful. It's very just all over just for me. When I'm missing man, they go back and forth on social media like them are some girl. Honestly, that's how I feel. Me can't separate it. Like, why would you be going back and forth on social media when both of you have each other number, or both of you are adults? Like, be adults about the situation. Call each other, talk to each other. And then again, this can also be another one of the cases them where them plan up this whole thing and them just they do it for look a hype and look a buzz on social media so them can book jobs and book gigs, and this can be a plethora of things. But honestly, it don't look good to me. Like a two grown ass man, they go back and forth on internet over some foolishness that can be resolved if they would act like they are fucking grown ass men, basically. So comment in the comment section, tell me what you guys think about this whole back and forth with Facebook Hero and Marvin the Beast. Comment if you think I want scam. Comment if you think it's just a publicity stunt. Just comment whatever you think about the story in this video. Come on, hear what everybody has to say, because as you can tell, I don't have a lot to say about this story. Comment, like, subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce.